the next recipe we are going to cook sukuma in cream. So here we have the sukuma. It has been cut finely, as you can see, being cut. Then we have the onions that we are going to use. Then we have here garlic that is crushed. Then we have salt and 2 chicken stock cubes. And then here we have cooking cream. We're going to fry the onions. The oil is hot, so we put the onions. Fry them. Then you add the garlic, salt, and the stock cubes. You fry until it is light brown, not brown. Once the onions are lightly brown, then you start adding in the sukuma. Pass it down. Then put it combine and add the rest. So once it is fried, then you add the cream. You mix.
That's a kick.
When you put the cream, then you let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes, just to absorb the flavors. Then it's ready for service.
Abi